right. Can you can you give us a short or a sneak, peek into the 5-step exercise from your free PDF?
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's an exercise that is designed. It's an exercise that is designed to make you have an aha moment where you're going like, where you kind of step back and go, wow. And what it is, it's pretty simple. It's like, number one, you talk about, like what is your goal and what do you want your life to look like? Right. So I want you to describe your life. Now, this is typically not relational and it's not spiritual. It's more tangible. It's like, I have a goal. I want to lose weight. I want to finances. I want to save money. I want to make more money. Whatever it is, and describe what your life would be if you were at that point. So again, whatever your goal is, write down like, this is my quality of life. Like, let's just go back to the weight loss, right? Because that is the most popular goal. Let's say that you lost your weight, you feel great, you like the person you see in the mirror, you're wearing different clothes. How would you feel? And what tangible aspects of your life might change? I'll have more energy. I won't be winded walking up a flight of stairs. I'll be able to keep up with my kids. I'm going to be more comfortable. I'm going to feel better about myself. Describe that life. And then you want to talk about what needs to happen for you to get there.
Yeah.
Okay. So what steps need to happen? And a lot of it has to do with not only like ultimately, but like right now, today, like what needs to happen in the immediate for that to happen. And you need to make a list of not only the things that you need to do, but you need to make a list of the things that you must stop doing. Okay. I need to exercise more. I need to get out and walk, but I also need to stop drinking soda all day, right? What needs to happen for this to occur? I need to exercise more. I need to eat better, but I need to stop eating all these starchy carbs. I need to stop eating bags of chips and snacking, and I need to get off the soda all day, right? So you do that. Like, what needs to happen? And then the third question is, why aren't you doing that? So why aren't you doing that? And this is where you really need to do that introspection. And this is kind of a painful part because like I've always struggled with my business was built on talking to people, prospecting, setting appointments, things like that. And Shola, I'm telling you, to this day, I have such an intense fear of rejection. One of the things I get people to do is I get them to do an exercise, and it is on that same PDF of identifying your characteristics that keep you in your comfort zone, that keep you from doing what you need to do. And mine are, I'm a natural procrastinator. I'm not lazy, but I will put off stuff. I have an intense, and I mean an intense fear of rejection. Like I ask for something, they say no. I just want to drive my car off a cliff. I don't do well. I don't do well at all with rejection. Number three, I care way too much about what other people may think or what they may say. And lastly, I'm very easily distracted. I've got a little ADD going on. So I get those four things I've always had to fight my entire life. Anytime I've wanted to take an area to a new level. Now, it's all pretty natural now. I've overcome that. But so in other words, back to question number 3, why aren't you doing that right now? Why aren't you? And this is where you need to do that introspection. What are your characteristics that keep you stuck, that keep you from doing what you need to do? Maybe, maybe you get a little lazy. Maybe you're a procrastinator. Maybe you don't like the feeling of going to bed hungry. Maybe you don't want those caffeine headaches, so you kind of sneak in those sodas or whatever your goal may be. But what are the things that are keeping you from doing that? The fourth question is, now, what are you going to do about it? So what are you going to do about it? What am I going to do about it? This is a life I want. This is what I need to do to get there. These are the things that are keeping me from doing it. So what am I going to do about it? And that comes to your action plan. And what do I need to do? Well, I need to stop doing this.